In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach a studio template to a job ticket for template-based step and repeat. This would be used where you have a particular nesting layout like this one here, and you want to quickly be able to submit jobs without having to use Studio all the time. To do so, first steps is open the Workbench application. And in the Workbench application, you want to go to your job ticket data type and either select an existing job ticket or create a new one with the appropriate settings. For this example, I'm going to use my job ticket here called Untitled. We need to go to the Fit and Rotate panel. And under the step and repeat section, you'll see there's an enable step and repeat option that you need to tick. Now these settings here are normally applied when you're only using the step and repeat option. If you attach a studio template, these options here are ignored and only what's in the template is used. So we want to select the template button and find the studio template in our list. So ours is called Class Portraits. You can confirm visually here that this is the correct template to use and say OK. You want to save by going to File, Save, and save the job ticket. What this will do is for every job that is submitted using this particular job ticket, it will always be processed using the attached template. If you no longer want to use a template, you need to remove it and save the job ticket so that nothing is attached anymore. But for now, we want it attached, so leave it as is and go to the Submit menu and Files to submit your files. You can submit singularly or you can select multiply. Each file will be submitted as a separate job using the attached template. They will not be combined into one templated job. So I will select 3 random images to use and open. In our Submit dialog, what we want to do is select our page setup media and job ticket combination. So I'm just going to select a TIFF image. The media that is attached already is fine, but the job ticket is not the one I want to use. So I want to use my untitled job ticket. So I'll go to the job ticket section and find my untitled job ticket in the list. Now you can see in the preview here. Now if this isn't appearing, that icon here will show it. You can see here that my step and repeat template Class Portraits is attached, and if I click on this it will show me the template just to confirm. That's all okay, and if you've selected it and hit submit, it will then send the 3 jobs that I've selected to be processed. Now if I go to my jobs queue, I can see that the 3 jobs here have been submitted and are being processed. And we'll just wait for that to finish, and then we can have a look at the rendered output. Okay, now that our jobs are finished processing, I can have a look at the previews of each. Select them all and select View Printed, which will open them up in Softproof. And you can see here that each one has been submitted using the template that was attached to the job ticket. Keep in mind, any template selected for use must only contain standard frames and or text boxes. So something similar to this, where it's just a frame with some text. If a frame contained in a template is a canvas wrap or a bordered, color bordered template, they will not be printed. Only standard frames and text boxes are printed. The other method of submitting a job is to do it using the job ticket without a studio template attached and attaching it on the fly. That means that you can have a job ticket that exists with all of your relevant settings, and you only need to apply the template when you need to. To do this, we remove the step and repeat from our test job ticket, save it so that it saves with nothing attached, and now we can submit a file our standard way. So submit menu, files, just select one for now, open. In the submit files dialog, you want to select your page setup, media, and the job ticket that you want to use. So in this case, I'll still use my untitled one, but you can see in the preview here, there are no step and repeat templates attached, so it will have no settings. To add them on the fly, you need to select the job ticket and go here to the edit button on the right hand side and click that. What this will do is open the actual job ticket settings for this particular instance where you're submitting the job. Go to the fit and rotate panel, enable step and repeat, and select the studio template you would like to use. Say OK, confirm everything is OK, and submit the job for processing. You'll notice if you have a look in your Workbench application, the job ticket itself will not have been updated and no studio template information is saved. If we go to our job queue, we can see that the job is nesting. Once its nesting has finished, it will render and I can have a look at the preview. Okay, now it's finished processing. I can have a look and you can see that the job has been submitted using the template and the template's settings. It may look a bit weird, but the template here was not made for this image. So you can see that it has at least used the template when this job has been submitted.